Hey y'all, it's Mary. You watching Finna Eat? Today's snack time snack are s'mores. Walking to Wegmans, found giant marshmallows. Favorite snack is a s'more. Anybody who doesn't know what a s'more is.
Hey, you want a s'more? S'more what? No, you want a s'more. I haven't had anything yet, so how can I have some more of nothing?
This one's a little messy and melty in my hands. The best part. Graham crackers, chocolate, marshmallow. You roast the marshmallow over a flame. If you don't have a flame, a stove top will do. Just melt the marshmallow. And we're gonna eat. We're about to eat some s'mores. Finna tell you a little bit about me. And yeah, it's a little FYI video on Mary from Finna Eat. And I'm finna eat some s'mores. Alright. I gotta get comfortable to eat this. So my favorite thing about a s'more is just all the melty gooiness together. The crunchy graham cracker against the gushy marshmallow. It's just awesome. Kinda hard to talk with a s'more in your mouth. Especially with the giant marshmallow s'more. It's not the easiest. Don't try to conversate, okay? Not gonna happen. Be prepared for a mess. Man, especially with the giant marshmallow. Best place to eat marshmallows or to eat s'mores. Any place you find all these ingredients together. At home, outside, when you're camping. Never been camping, but heard they're good when you're camping. Jesus. These marshmallows are huge. So this is where I'm at right now. Be prepared to make a mess. For sticky fingers. And accidents. So we're just gonna leave that like that. Cause look at this. Okay, when making your s'more, you want a nice golden brownness. I made my s'more on the stovetop. That's why the ends aren't so brown. Yeah, it's a little hard. Oh my gosh. It's really hard. I don't know about this giant marshmallow thing. Walmart has these marshmallows that are perfect for s'mores. They're marshmallow s'mores. Perfect size and shape. Not too little, not too big. These are too big. They're a little too big. feel like my hair is all on my face. Man, it's a lot of s'mores. On my typical s'more snack time, get about three or four. Netflix. I like Netflix. I Netflix a lot. It depends on what mood I'm in for real. I like the Black Mirror. My favorite episode of Black Mirror. I like the one, you know, where everybody, you know, has their rating system and she go crazy at the wedding at the end. Good one. Oh, Netflix. What was it called? My Mother. My Mother? My Mom? My Mother.
I Am Mother.
I Am Mother. Good job behind this cameraman. I Am Mother. That was a really good Netflix movie. Netflix movies, like 9 times out of 10, they're on point. Like they've been doing a really good job. It's hard. Shouldn't I spoil it? Like spoilers. Alright, well, Netflix, I Am Mother is about a chick who's raised by a robot, and the robot says the outside world's all gone and contaminated, and she can't go out there, and then somebody from out there comes inside and finds out that all the robots that look like the mama, the robot mother, is killing everybody. Killed everybody. Crazy. Gotta watch it. Gotta check it. I gotta finish. Alright, y'all. So as far as I got, okay? But I hope you learned something about me and about s'mores. Alright? And maybe next time we'll just jump out of a plane or something. But you gotta subscribe to find out. Okay? You gotta click the bell. You gotta flick the thing, and you know what to do. So just do it, and we'll see you next time. Alright?